Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. What better way is there to take care of your skin and your makeup brushes than to go with really soft, reusable cloths? These from Orighty are exactly that. Each of the cloths is the same shape. They come in a great big assortment of colors that are really bright and cheery. They're super soft microfiber fabric, and I love using them for applying toner, for using them to wash my face, and to use them to clean my makeup brushes as well. They wash so well. You can place them in the washer. Even if they're stained up, they will come out really, really soft and cozy. I love the bright colors, and I love that I can fold them into a square. So it's basically like having a regular cotton round, but yet these are so much more effective at taking everything off. They're great for applying different face products as well as for face care, and I really love how soft and non-irritating they are. It's not only great to be able to have these for your face, but it's great because they're reusable. So you're saving yourself on having to buy the cotton rounds that are disposable, and your face will really appreciate how soft and cozy these all are. And that's my point of view.